Greetings, dear friends. You have the ability to attract abundance into your life instantly by shifting the way you think, the way you speak, and most importantly, the way you see yourself. Let's begin with 6 words that, if spoken daily, have the power to transform your reality. These words are not just words, they are seeds that can be planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. The words are, I am worthy of abundance today. At first glance, they might seem too simple, too obvious, but that's the beauty of it. We often overlook the simplest truths because we are conditioned to believe that transformation has to be complicated. It's not. It's as simple as speaking these 6 words to yourself each day, believing in them, and allowing them to take root within you. You see, we often look for abundance outside of ourselves, thinking it's something that needs to be found, earned, or worked for. But the truth is, abundance is not something out there that we need to chase. It's something that starts within us. It begins the moment we recognize that we are already worthy of it. The key to unlocking abundance is to see yourself as deserving of it. And the moment you truly believe you are worthy, everything begins to shift around you. When you say, I am worthy of abundance today, you are declaring that you are deserving of all the good things the universe has to offer. Not tomorrow, not someday, but today. Right now. You are no longer waiting for permission from outside forces. You are claiming your birthright. And when you claim your worth, you align yourself with the flow of abundance. It's no longer about asking for more, it's about accepting what is already yours. Now, let's focus on the word abundance. Abundance is not just about money. It's not just about material wealth. Abundance encompasses every area of your life: love, health, peace, joy, and, yes, even money. Abundance is the natural state of the universe, and you are part of that vast, limitless universe. Abundance is your birthright. The universe does not withhold from you, it's simply waiting for you to acknowledge and claim your share. By speaking these words daily, you are tuning your mind to the vibration of abundance. Thoughts are energy, and your thoughts create your reality. When you focus on abundance, you attract more of it. It's the law of attraction at work. But it's more than just attracting what you want. It's about aligning your internal beliefs with the external world. When you feel worthy, when you believe you are deserving, you act differently. You make decisions with confidence, you speak with authority, and you open yourself to opportunities that you might have overlooked before. But this isn't just about the words. The words are the gateway, the entry point to a deeper, more powerful shift. The real magic happens when you feel these words, when you allow them to resonate in your heart. It's one thing to say, I am worthy of abundance today, but it's another thing entirely to feel that worth in every fiber of your being. When you speak these words, do so with the intention of truly believing them. Feel the truth of them deep within you. Feel the power of your own worth. You might be wondering, what if I don't feel worthy yet? That's okay. Start with the words, even if you don't fully believe them at first. Consistency is key. The more you speak to them, the more you align your subconscious mind with the idea of abundance. Your mind doesn't distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. By saying these words every day, you are programming your mind to believe that abundance is not only possible, but it is already yours. As you speak these words, notice the shifts in your life. You'll start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. You'll notice that people treat you with more respect and kindness. You'll attract circumstances that support your newfound belief in your worth. It's as though the world itself begins to mirror your inner state. This is not coincidence, this is the law of attraction in action. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner beliefs. But let's take it a step further. Abundance doesn't just come to you, it flows through you. You are not just a passive recipient of abundance, you are an active participant in the flow. The more you give, the more you receive. When you speak these words, you are not only affirming your worth, you are also affirming your ability to give and receive. You are opening yourself up to the endless flow of abundance that is available to you in every moment. When you give from a place of abundance, you are showing the universe that you trust it. You are saying, I am not afraid to give because I know that more will come back to me. Whether you give your time, your energy, or your resources, giving is an expression of abundance. And when you give freely, the universe responds by sending even more your way. Now, I want you to understand that abundance isn't just about material things. It's about a state of being. When you truly believe that you are worthy of abundance, you begin to attract a sense of peace, a sense of fulfillment, a sense of gratitude. Your life begins to flow effortlessly. Things begin to fall into place. The right people come into your life. The right opportunities present themselves. It's as though the universe is conspiring in your favor because you have aligned yourself with the flow of abundance. But let's be clear, the process is not about waiting for abundance to show up. It's about aligning yourself with abundance right now. When you speak these 6 words, you are not simply waiting for something to happen. You are actively creating it. You are shaping your reality with your thoughts and beliefs. And as you continue to speak these words every day, you will see the manifestation of abundance in your life. When you begin to speak these words with genuine belief, you're tapping into an ancient principle that many before you have used to manifest the life they desire. This principle is universal, timeless, and it works whether you realize it or not. It's the understanding that your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs shape your reality. By speaking, I am worthy of abundance today, you are aligning yourself with this universal law that responds to the energy you radiate. The words themselves carry power, but it's the energy behind them, the confidence, the trust, the belief, that sets everything in motion. The more you affirm your worth, the more the universe reflects it back to you. This isn't about waiting for an external change to prove your worth, it's about understanding that the moment you claim it, the universe begins to respond. You may begin to notice small signs of abundance around you, unexpected opportunities, kind gestures from others, or an overall sense of well-being. These are not coincidences. They are the results of your shift in mindset, a reflection of the energy you are now vibrating at. The beauty of this process is that it doesn't require you to do anything extra. There's no hustle, no struggle. You're simply becoming the person you were always meant to be. You're letting go of doubts and limitations that have held you back for too long. As you speak those 6 words, you're no longer fighting against the current. You're swimming with it, in harmony with the abundance that's been waiting for you all along. However, it's important to recognize that abundance is not just about receiving. It's about living in a state of generosity, in both thoughts and actions. When you recognize your worth, you naturally begin to give more of yourself, your time, your energy, your kindness. And in giving, you create more space for receiving. It's a natural cycle, one that perpetuates itself when you allow it to. The more you live in alignment with your worth, the more abundant your life becomes. You'll begin to attract people who see and appreciate your value. You'll find yourself surrounded by opportunities, resources, and support. The key is to trust the process, even when it doesn't happen as quickly as you may expect. Trust that it's unfolding exactly as it should. Every time you say those words, you are solidifying your belief in your worth, and in time, the external world will catch up. In conclusion, my friends, the power of these 6 words cannot be overstated. I am worthy of abundance today is a declaration of your worth. It's a reminder that you are deserving of all the good that the universe has to offer. Speak these words every day, and allow them to take root in your heart and mind. Feel the truth of them, believe in them, and watch as your life transforms. Abundance is not something you need to chase, it's something that flows to you effortlessly when you align yourself with it. And by speaking these words, you are aligning yourself with the endless flow of abundance that is available to you in every moment. Trust in your worth, trust in the process, and trust that abundance is already on its way. Before we finish, I want to take a moment to express how grateful I am for your attention today. If this message has resonated with you, I would love for you to support this channel by liking this video. A simple like goes a long way in helping this message reach more people who need to hear it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. By subscribing, you'll be the first to hear whenever a new video with powerful insights is released. Your support means the world and helps us continue to grow and reach more people with messages that can change lives.